Internet, what is up? I am back. More shoe nonsense, shenanigans, tomfoolery, whatever. I did the video, I posted it, and I did the thing with the StockX live haul, right? That was a thing. Did you see that? All 6 of you? Yeah, I put it on the internet, and I bought a bunch of shit from the StockX live, and whatever. It's fine. There were a few things in that video that I noted had not yet been received. Those things, what were those things? They were from a company called Skybox, right? Skybox something or other. I don't know. Skybox Soles maybe. You don't care. You're not watching anyway. Anyway, I was missing a pair of Aloe socks that I ordered. $11 Aloe socks. That was $25 off of Aloe's pricing. That's a good deal, right? And then I got a pair of Yeezy slides. Yeezy slides I was waiting on. Aloe socks I was waiting on. Both of those showed shipped literally like 4 hours after I recorded that video that you ended up not watching because you couldn't be bothered. But yeah, they shipped out. During the process, because I got the little UPS app, right? We use the UPS app so we know where shit is. I'm watching it, and it's set to be, it's making its way across our great nation, to middle America where I live. It's on its way, so I thought, okay, Skybox, they did their thing, they've done their part. Yeah, the Aloe socks. The Aloe socks, they're lost in transit somewhere, or they were. I'm sorry, they weren't lost. UPS app says that they were delayed, but the Yeezy slides showed up here. Now I didn't open these yet. I haven't opened them up, but I also didn't pull this bag apart. I'm not the one who did this. I'm not the one who did it. It looks to me like the guys at Skybox, they don't know how to seal a bag right. Because when I went to hit the start on the video here, these things just fell out of the bag. I thought I was going to be using a little knife here. Thought I was going to be using a knife to cut it open. Oh no, they just fell out on the floor. That ain't right. Just not right. But anyway, am I to assume that they also didn't know how to seal up the bag for the Aloe socks, and those Aloe socks are sitting on the floor of a truck somewhere? I don't know. It's not worth it. It's not worth me waiting around for. I know how invested you are in seeing what happened with this whole live haul, so I thought I would do this video. Here you go. Apparently, Yeezy, Kanye, I don't know what they're calling him today. The guy changes his name frequently. He puts his stuff in a bag, and it says YS01. I think that's probably for Yeezy Slide version 1. It's a thing. Anyway, here we go. We're going to take it out of the little nylon bag. You guys have all seen Yeezy slides before. I'm like the last one on the planet to buy a pair of these. And yep, they're slides. They're slides. Not really sure why I bought these. Other than they seemed inexpensive. They were like $24, $25, something like that. And apparently they list at $40. I thought maybe I'd put them on the StockX listings, which I did do. I told you on the previous video that I was maybe gonna check out the listings. I don't know that I like the idea of selling shoes. If I buy shoes, I usually buy them because I want them, but not usually. I always buy them because I want them. I don't buy shoes that I don't like. I don't buy shoes with the intention of reselling. I just like having shoes, and I got a lot of them. But Anyway, to offset the little StockX nonsense that I did on the StockX liveness, yeah, I got the Jordan 10 powders, size 9.5. They're on the StockX listings. Go look at those. If you're looking for Jordan 10 powders, size 9.5, they're on there. You can buy them. I also did the Jordan 13 Starfish, also size 9.5. They're out there. Go look on the listings. You can find those. If you want those, go for it. The Adidas, the free Adidas, the burgundy ones. I don't know. I can't remember what color they were. I put those on the StockX listings also. They're not pricey, but between those 3 shoes, if you internet go out and buy them, that'll offset that'll offset for me making the videos for you. That would be a nice thing. I might put these on there too. I might go ahead and put these on there. I don't know. Maybe I can't be bothered. Maybe I can't be bothered by any of it. Whatever. But that's the thing. All of that, I wanted to provide you an update. So I'm gonna take these. Before I go, I'll go ahead and I'm gonna take one of these. I'm gonna take. It's nice that Kanye puts the shoe tree in here to keep these from getting all crushed up. That's nice of him. I guess it's okay. I'm just putting it on my foot. I'm not going to show you. I'm not moving the camera. I can't be bothered to do any of that nonsense. I guess these are okay. I don't know. They're fine. Yeezy slides are fine. I see the people that wear them. They say that they wear them all the time and that they're great slides. I don't know. I have a problem carrying internet. I like my Lululemon slides. Those are the Lululemon slides work pretty well. And the Yeezy, I don't know. They're not bad. They're just not great. They're just slides, and I like my Lulus. I like stuff from the Lululemon internet. Yeah. And those slides, I kind of dig them. I got 2 pair of the Lululemon ones. I'd rather have either of those than the Yeezys, but I'm not saying that I won't wear the Yeezys. Yeah, whatever. Rest of the stuff, we'll see. Maybe I'll give you a little update on what I think of the rest of the stuff. Maybe I'll give you an update on what Wifey thought of the stuff I got her. Yeah, the hoodie and the whatnot. She's still gonna have to hear that the aloe socks are lost in transit somewhere or delayed in transit. I'm curious as to whether this is because of Solebox's inability to properly seal a bag. Doesn't seem like that hard of a job, but whatever. It's not my job. Not my job to do it, so yeah. We'll see how it all goes. Maybe I'll update you. If you care, ask me in the chat. Ask me in the comments. Put a little comment out there. Like, comment, subscribe. Don't say mean shit, okay? I'm tired of people saying mean shit on the internet. I just want people to be nice. I try to be nice. Okay, that's all I got. Be good people.